Cleveland Browns played their third tight game in a row on Sunday, falling for the first time in 3 weeks under the leadership of quarterback P.J. Walker. Cleveland leaned heavily on its former third-string quarterback down the stretch against the Seattle Seahawks on Sunday, October 29, including during the play that ultimately cost the Browns the game. Head coach Kevin Stefanski called a pass on 3rd and 3 from his own 41-yard line with just over 2 minutes remaining and a 20-17 lead. Walker tossed an interception to safety Julian Love, a mistake that eventually led to a Jackson Smith-Njigba touchdown to seal Seattle's victory. Reporters asked running back Kareem Hunt after the game about not getting an opportunity on the afternoon's fateful play. Hunt's answer extended beyond just one snap, as he took exception to the team's choice not to utilize him more frequently, or at all, during the final period. "I didn't get a chance the whole fourth quarter," Hunt said, per Jake Trotter of ESPN. "So it's cool. I don't know. I just go and play my role, and I feel like I could have helped win." Trotter added that Hunt's final touch of the day came with more than 3.5 minutes remaining in quarter no. 3. The running back finished the day with 14 carries for 55 yards and a touchdown. Browns QB P.J. Walker says turnovers happen after late interception. Stefanski spoke to the play call and the resulting interception during his post-game press conference. "Obviously, with the interception, with the outcome, you're always thinking, what can you do differently?" Stefanski said. We can't, we had options there. Certainly you can run and certainly you can pass it. But the result, that was tough. Cleveland is now 4-3 on the year, and Walker has created as many questions as he's answered. It is clear the Browns aren't prepared to move forward with rookie Dorian Thompson-Robinson under center. The former backup QB got the starting nod in Week 4 against the Baltimore Ravens, but threw 3 interceptions and hasn't taken a snap since. Walker, on the other hand, appears to have carte blanche to make as many mistakes as necessary while the Browns' defense continues to drag its bruised and battered counterpart across the finish line every weekend. Walker has now turned the ball over 6 times in 3 games and accounted for just a single touchdown. "Turnovers happen," Walker said during his post-game press conference. "I haven't seen a quarterback play a football game in his career that never really turned the ball over. They happen. I just have to try to eliminate them. The second one hurt, especially. The first one was a miscommunication. It's tough. Deshaun Watson's health still major question mark moving forward." Cleveland defeated the San Francisco 49ers in Walker's first start but needed a missed field goal late to hang on. Watson started the following week against the Indianapolis Colts, though he threw the ball just 5 times before exiting the game with head and shoulder injuries. Walker stepped back in and the Browns won again, though by just 1 point. Cleveland was aided by what the NFL later admitted were incorrect calls made by the officials during the Browns' final scoring drive, per Colts owner Jim Irsay via an ESPN report. Walker's ineptitude under center has now cost the Browns a game they probably should have won, while Watson's shoulder remains a long-term question mark. "He'll be back when he's ready," Stefanski said of Watson following Sunday's loss. Cleveland has just 2 days remaining until the NFL's trade deadline on October 31st to make an addition at quarterback. Beyond that point, the only options will be free agents who are not currently rostered anywhere in the league.